It's marked from the Amboy store. We're going to talk about 4400 series corn heads, operation and maintenance. When you're hooking up the header, make sure the hydraulics are hooked on, latched down. Got the electrical hookup here, make sure that's securely fastened. Drive lines here, make sure they're hooked up correctly, and your header latch here for hooking on the head, make sure that's latched correctly. Grease the drive line on row unit gearboxes. So some maintenance tips on the 4400 series head. The main gearbox level of check is here. We want to make sure the corn head is on the ground or running position and check the correct level. Also, if you have a chopping feature on the corn head, you have to check the two gearboxes on the side of the row unit. So you have to pop the snoots to check that. Your gathering chains, make sure there's the correct tension. Make sure the tension at the bottom is moving freely. And then check the bottom sprocket bearing to make sure the bearing is not out or loose. On the row knives here, on the stock rolls, if they're getting wore back more than past the 2-inch mark and they're not a nice close gap, it's not going to do a good job of chopping stock or pulling it through. You're going to have more butt shelling. So replace knives as needed or adjust in to the correct dimensions. Check your deck plates. Remember, if you're adjusting them or replacing, they should always be narrower in the front, wider in the back. Of course, they are hydraulically actuated, but still that initial setting needs to be narrower in the front, wider in the back.